Tired of hacking and coughing? Honey might be just what you need. Did you know honey isn't just for your tea? Studies show it can help soothe that pesky cough. How? Honey's thick texture coats your throat, reducing irritation. Plus, it's got antibacterial properties. A spoonful before bed can work wonders. But hey, simple doesn't mean it's a cure-all. If your cough sticks around, see a doc. And remember, no honey for kiddos under 1. So next time you're coughing away, grab that honey jar. Your throat will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this sweet tip.